Top 10 Auto Repair in Vancouver. 1. CNC AUTO CARE, 4.9 155 reviews, Northeast Whitman Avenue. 2. Gaynors Automotive, 4.8 798 reviews, Broadway St. 3. Gaynors Automotive, 4.8 700 reviews, Northeast 4th Plain Blvd. 4. Hosley Automotive, 4.8 498 reviews, W. McLoughlin Boulevard. 5. Peterson Automotive, 4.8 157 reviews, Northeast 4th Plain Boulevard. 6. CarTech Auto Care, 4.8 140 reviews, East 4th Plain Boulevard. 7. Gaynors Automotive, 4.7 1253 reviews, SE Mill Plain Boulevard. 8. Gaynors Automotive, 4.7 931 reviews, NE Highway 99. 9. Master Tech Automotive Vancouver, 4.7 799 reviews, NE Vancouver Mall DR. 10. Accurate Motorwerks, 4.7 532 reviews, SE Mill Plain Boulevard.